A couple of small things. The Digidash needs a water temperature pickup, independent. It has its own sensor, so it's independent of the LS system. So I drilled a hole safely into the water pump housing just behind the thermostat. Thermostat comes in that deep, and so the water is always to that point, and the water is always flowing out of this tube here out to the heater core, and it returns here. So this one will pick up the accurate temperature off the engine, while the computer is still monitoring the block temperature. The sensor's over on the driver's side head, and when we do the wiring for the engine, we'll get to see that. So I drilled it, and then I used a 1/8 NPT tap. It's a tapered tap, so as you thread in, it gets tighter and tighter and tighter. And I've already drilled and tapped it, and the fitting just threads into there, and it gets to a point where it's already starting to get tight. Also, I put the fuel level sender down. It's just a straight tube running into the tank. There's no moving parts to it. It's a Centroid unit. A company out of Florida sells them. It comes with the kit. It just measures resistance, and as the level of the fuel inside the tube changes, and in the tank at the same time, the resistance changes, and that just sends a signal up to the Digidash, and it will say, you know, what level fuel you have. And they've already calibrated it. It's an 11-inch tube, and the resistance goes from 40 to 240.